Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive transformation. You're probably already watching it unfold, but we really need to look at the sheer scale of how it's reshaping the very fabric of our reality. There was a time, and honestly, it wasn't that long ago, when the ability to create was just this uniquely human trait, right? But now, we're talking about a shift that brings this crazy mix of absolute awe and, yeah, a totally necessary dose of caution. It asks a fundamentally unsettling question about the future of what's real and what isn't.
So, what happens when you can't even trust your own eyes? It's literally the core dilemma of our time. We've already seen AI win state fair art competitions or flawlessly clone celebrity voices just to make them, sing sea shanties. But what happens to society itself when biological certainty is just stripped away entirely? For our entire history, seeing has been believing. Our eyes and ears have been the ultimate arbiters of truth. But what happens when the things you're looking at, the people, the places, the events, might not actually exist at all? To really understand how we arrived at this super fragile point in human perception, we gotta look back at the monopoly we used to hold.
Section 1. The Human Era. Only humans created.
It's almost nostalgic to think about, isn't it? For millennia, the act of pure creation, translating a thought or a feeling into a tangible piece of art, a moving piece of music, or a sprawling movie, that was our superpower. Those things absolutely required human hands, human voices, and human time. But today, we're living in this sudden, explosive new reality where machines are doing those exact same things. AI isn't just calculating or analyzing data anymore. It's acting as a rapid creator. It's generating faces, painting intricate artworks, and building entire worlds. That monopoly we had, it is officially broken.
Section 2. AI as the creator. Synthesizing reality.
We have moved incredibly far beyond the early days of chatbots just spitting out blocks of text. Today, a single text prompt essentially acts as a director's chair. And we aren't just talking about slight little computational tweaks here. Modern AI is navigating these vast, complex spaces to synthesize entirely new realities from the ground up. It's rendering highly realistic faces of human beings who have literally never existed. It's generating Hollywood-style dynamic lighting and camera movements, composing totally original songs, and computing massive virtual worlds in real time. Just like that, raw imagination is instantly becoming tangible digital reality.
Section 3. The speed of reality. Days to seconds.
You see, it's not just what AI is creating that's so disruptive. It's the unprecedented speed of it all. Think about the traditional creation process for a second. Rendering a digital environment, composing a multi-track score, or designing a complex graphic. That used to take days, weeks, or even months of intense labor. Today, that exact same output takes seconds. Literally seconds. Creators, filmmakers, and major businesses are completely overhauling their workflows en masse for one very simple reason. The barrier of time has been completely eradicated. Work that historically required massive, highly trained teams is now getting knocked out before you even finish your morning coffee.
Section 4. The threat of fake reality. A dangerous question.
Now, as enthusiastic as we can be about this incredible speed and capability, we really have to look at the darker atmosphere surrounding all this technology. If AI has the power to so convincingly create faces, voices, and immersive environments, well, the sinister flip side is pretty obvious. If it can create reality, can it also create a completely fake reality? This isn't just some theoretical sci-fi question for the distant future. It's a very deliberate, very real dilemma we're facing right this very moment.
This total erosion of truth is what we call fake reality. And let's be clear, we are rapidly moving way past the days of those clumsy, easily debunked Photoshops. We're stepping into an era fueled by pixel-perfect, real-time deepfakes, flawlessly cloned zero-shot voices, and AI agents that interact seamlessly, exactly like real people. We are looking at a terrifying new landscape here. For the average person just, scrolling the internet, distinguishing biological truth from algorithmic fabrication is becoming practically impossible.
Section 5. The ultimate illusion. Trust nothing. Okay, I want to guide you through a quick thought experiment. It feels completely like dystopian sci-fi, but based on the sources we're analyzing in this explainer, it is highly, highly plausible. Imagine a world where absolutely nothing you see or hear on a screen can be trusted implicitly. Nothing. Every image, every voice, every video clip is just assumed to be an AI fabrication right off the bat, until proven otherwise. Think about it. If the video evidence, the audio recordings, and the photographs are fundamentally compromised, how do we ever agree on what's actually happening in the real world? When experts analyze this exact same technology, they're actually coming to two wildly different conclusions.
One viewpoint is incredibly optimistic. They say AI creativity will give humanity new power. From this perspective, AI is viewed as the ultimate democratizing tool. It's seen as this deeply empowering evolutionary force that allows anyone, no matter who you are, to bypass technical skill constraints and instantly bring their wildest imaginations to life.
But we have to contrast that directly with a really stark warning. This technology could become the world's biggest illusion. This is the more cautious perspective from experts who look at those exact same tools and genuinely worry we're building a prison of falsehoods. We're impartially laying out both sides for you here because ultimately, as a society, you and I are the ones who will have to weigh these two extremes. Are we building the ultimate mechanism for empowerment, or are we building a machine for mass deception?
Section 6. What comes next? Economic shifts. So, where does this leave us? The core argument from our sources today is that machines are no longer simply understanding or analyzing our world, they are actively building new ones. And that unprecedented creative power? It's about to trigger massive tectonic shifts in the physical world. Entire global economies are restructuring right now around the speed of AI generation. Jobs are fundamentally transforming, businesses are rapidly evolving just to keep pace, and experts actually believe this exact disruption will lead to the rise of the very first trillionaire in human history.
And that leaves us with a truly fascinating, really provocative thought to end on today. As the economy undergoes this massive, unprecedented boom driven by artificial intelligence, we have to ask, will the first trillionaire in history be born from building the ultimate AI illusion? Will the greatest wealth ever amassed come from creating a reality that doesn't actually exist? It's a wild question, but it perfectly links this incredible economic opportunity with a frankly terrifying conceptual shift in human history. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep questioning what you see, and as always, keep learning.